Hi, I'm Mike Roy from ArtistMyth.com, a website dedicated to helping creatives of all kinds do the creative work that they love. And this course is a special course, and I'm really excited to be presenting to you because it's the single best way I can think of to help the biggest amount of creatives with their creative business. And that is how to find your creative niche. Your creative niche is the work that is uniquely suited to you, because we're all different. All artists have different backgrounds, different motivations. Everything is different about us. And so we need a method that's uniquely suited to you, that takes you on a unique creative journey that's specially suited to your passions, your motivations, your talents, and your ideal target market. And we'll be talking about all of this stuff in the course. Just a peek inside the course, first of all, we'll be talking about what is a niche. Why do you need this thing called a niche? We'll be talking about some mindsets that you're going to need to proceed onto this journey of self-discovery. And then we're going to talk about my special 3-step method of finding the creative work that's uniquely suited to you. And then we'll wrap it up, we'll tie it all together, and you're not going to be alone on your journey. You're going to have access to me, because I'll be monitoring the course. I'll be accessible to you. You'll also have the help of your fellow classmates that are going through the course. And you're going to have the support of the special group that I'm putting together. And I can't wait to embark on this journey with you to help you find work that is uniquely suited to you. Creative work, whether you're a photographer, a painter, a musician, a dancer, a writer, whatever is your creative endeavor, this course is specially designed with you in mind. Hopefully you have already signed up for the course, and if you have, then I can't wait to get started. I'll see you inside.